In this video, I'll show you how to build a custom coded template in HubSpot so you can create flexible layouts for emails or pages using HTML. Custom templates are useful when you want full control over design and structure beyond the standard drag and drop editor. To begin, sign into your HubSpot account and go to the left menu, then click Content and select Design Manager, which is where all template files and code assets are managed. Next, click Create a File to start a new project. In the Setup window, choose HTML as the file type and select Template so HubSpot knows you're creating a reusable layout. After that, pick the template type based on your goal, such as email for email templates or page for website and landing pages. Once created, the code editor will open where you can write or paste your HTML. For emails, it's generally recommended to use simple layouts and inline styles for better compatibility, while page templates can use more flexible, responsive design. After completing your code, save the template, and it will be available for use in your content. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.